Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today, time for another update on Verasity. Obviously it's a project to cover a lot on my channel. It's a project I do really believe in. It's crazy to look at the price on CoinMarkup at the moment. Absolute madness. Ranked 820 in markup, just under 16 million. 0.001. You think last bull market we had, what, 7-8 pence? And here we are now. I never thought we'd go as low as this with the price. It's never financial advice, do your own research. But with Verasity, as I've said many times before, I've never known a project to cause so much divide within the community. It's absolutely huge, the divide you get. The people are super bullish on this project. The people give it a lot of FUD. Now, as I stated before, it'd be great if the team actually did a monthly AMA where people can engage the community and answer questions and just generally have a chat with how the project's going. They've just released their roadmap finally. They did state it'd be in January or February and they literally left it to the last minute. But it's out there, okay, and it's great to see. Over time, I do strongly believe in this project. I think it's absolutely huge. Now, only time will tell. As I say, it's never financial advice, do your own research. But when it's at this price, me personally, I'm constantly accumulating because it's an incredibly low price. It truly is. Only time will tell where this project goes this year. It's going to be absolutely massive for this project this year. It's been basically around since 2017. Okay. And obviously here we are 8 years later, coming up to a bull market and it's ranked 820. Expect to be a lot higher because it's a genuine project. It's also a unique project. It's not just another project claimed to be DeFi, etc. It's actually got so many parts to their ecosystem, actually makes it really interesting to see where it could go. I believe this is going to be absolutely huge this year, but I say it's a really defining year. It truly is. Okay, absolutely massive. Only time will tell. Now, they've done a lot of posts on X recently. It makes it better from the normal good morning or something like that. I just want to see a lot more transparency from the team. It'd be a lot good to get more updates. Now, they put up some recent posts. Obviously, the roadmap was huge. We'll go through that in a minute. Other bits is also, I'm not a token said default to the blockchain, while still waiting for someone to pick up and use it. That's quite unique when you think basically they want people to obviously use the project as a genuine use case. Now, Veracity's got that. Okay. It's always when, never how the intern's holding up. Guys itching to start shit posting again. That's just basically going to people about who do all the FUD about VRA. Now, as I say, there's a lot of people do put a lot of negativity out there, calling it a scam, etc. I don't personally believe that. I don't believe it's a rug pull or anything like that. I genuinely do believe in the project. Okay, now, Mark Firth, the CEO. The roadmap sets the direction, but true understanding comes from looking beyond. Not everything is revealed at once, as some of the most important details unfold over time. I remain fully committed to Veracity and our teams as we navigate 2025 for a defining year ahead. Okay, that's huge. Now, I'll go through, the roadmap literally in a minute, but going through other news, you can see there, they talk the KU Coin Web3 wallet. Hong Kong consensus was a huge success for KU Coin. Now, Veracity also sponsored that event, the consensus. So it's great to see. Obviously, VRA is on KU Coin. So naturally, in fact, it was great. It was there. Now, they talked about Consensus Hong Kong. You delivered a heavily oversubscribed, high-energy event with strong interest in our technology stacked from several large Chinese and Korean publishers. Non-stop meetings and a pipeline full of promising leads that we each nurture over the coming days. So again, when you hold these events, they get some contacts. And you can see there, they're actually at the event. Okay, onboarding community members. You can see there, redefining digital advertising with AI precision. Now, obviously, I've covered their website and Veraviews a lot in the past. Basically, when a company buys a genuine ad package, they actually know they're going to get genuine human beings looking at it, not just some robot. Okay, so absolutely imperative. I think it really is a unique case, and that's what I like about it. Talks there again about the consensus, what they've done. And again, it's nice that you see it this. Mark Firth also put this before also the high productive kickoff at Consensus HK with strong interest from industry leaders. Other news recently from Veracity was they extended the stake until next March 2026, was actually huge. I wasn't sure they would do that, especially with the Tron migration, the POV, which is basically going to transfer to the Tron blockchain. Okay, there's going to be 90 billion tokens doing that. Okay, so I wasn't sure with the staking because once the 90 billion have gone to the Tron network, this new ticker they're creating, I wasn't entirely sure with the VRA they're carrying on the staking because once this actually shows the actual remaining VRA tokens, plus with the quarterly burns, who knows where VRA will go. Okay, so it's absolutely huge this year with the Tron migration. Absolutely massive, it truly is. Now, going from the roadmap itself, 2025 will also see a myriad of advancements to Veraviews and its suite of modules to push performance and customer experience beyond industry standards. Automated VRA integration will make adoption efforts for publishers. Again, that's great to see. Meanwhile, we're actually working on rolling out an AI-powered solution that redefines content creation. VRAwallet 2.0 is obviously the upgrade was good. Now, VRAwallet, so I use it all the time. I would prefer if you could have some more features to it, like a fiat payment solution. We could deposit fiat and get your VRA, also withdraw, it'd be absolutely fantastic. And obviously the Vera card was great when it came out. However, here in the UK with the FCA, that got cancelled, unfortunately. That was a real shame. It truly was. Our dual token ecosystem is progressing within the mainnet launch in Q2. So once the Tron network new token, the 90 billion, get transferred to there, we're going to have this brand new ticker, brand new sort of token, 3-letter coding, whatever. But if you're on Vera Wallet now, you actually will get some airdrops, they're saying. Now, Vera Wallet here in the UK again got stopped unless you was an existing account holder. Luckily I was, so I'm still getting my daily staking rewards. If you're not in the UK and you can get on Vera Wallet, strongest you should do that. It's nice passive income and make your VRA work for you and get the staking rewards. And going to next March is absolutely fantastic. It truly is. Okay, off roadmap and future vision. Veteran followers and community members know that the best surprises are usually the ones you don't see coming, the unknown. That's what Mark first basically stated. So in parallel, we're redefining our dual token economy framework with an emphasis on content creator reward mechanisms down the line. These developments, along with several initiatives, are part of our broader mission to bridge Web3 and digital advertising. So it's nice to see they've actually got some plans ahead. Now, again, the Mark first went and feel what they're doing there for future plans, but the Veracity's 2025 roadmap is structured to allow for adaptability and responsiveness, while our quarterly milestones provide a transparent and structured outline of what we deliver. A large mission requires us to remain dynamic. This is why they need, hopefully, more updates when we'll get the new partnerships announcement as they're developing. I say, with these quarterly burns of the VRA token, it's absolutely huge. When I think of VRA and when the price could go, the quarterly burns plus the 90 billion going to the Tron, it doesn't leave a huge amount of supply out there. Okay, and that's why I believe in the price will go up. But again, no guarantee. This year, we'll conduct quarterly roadmap reviews. That's good. Instead of just literally putting out the whole year and just ticking it, they're actually going to give reviews and where they've adapted to it. Quarterly milestones. Now, this is important. You can see that the first quarter, obviously now, new KYC procedures implementing updated compliance measures to streamline user verification. Now, the second quarter is the one I like. Tron, the mainnet, finally going to get this done. There was talk originally it was going to sort of end in 2024, but obviously now looking at the second quarter 2025. Once that's done, I think we'll get a real defining state where the VRA token itself is going. Okay, contract rollout, initial dual token ecosystem capabilities, introduction, tokenomics, conclusion. I say, when you think you've got 90 billion tokens going to the Tron token, how much of an airdrop we get for the Vera wallet? People have been with Verasity all this time. I think it's sort of be fascinating to see what kind of airdrop we get. It truly will. And I'm fascinated to see that. So look forward to second quarter this year when we get that Tron network transition to separate projects. Okay. Again, goes for third quarter, text to video solution enhancements, Vera Player device content synchronization. So with the Vera Player, with the Veraviews, everything else, they've got a lot going on. They're going to launch an ambassador program, rolling out an initiative to boost community engagement, focus on rewarding engagement. I think that's really good. Okay, and personally, I love to be a part of that. You know, I'm an ambassador for VYFI, for example. I love being on that. I was one for Free Protocol as well. It's gone quite quiet on that project at the moment. However, I do like to be an ambassador of projects I believe in. Okay, I think it's imperative we get some insights and updates. Vera Player multi-language support. Vera Player closed captions. And again, enhanced Vera Wallet management, introducing features like a contact book and saved wallets. Native community quests, fiat payment for the merch store. Now, the fiat on the Vera Wallet is one would be absolutely fantastic. It really would. Research and forward vision. Beyond our quarterly milestones, Verasity is pushing boundaries, exploring and developing future frontiers to redefine digital advertising within Web3 and Web2 worlds. While certain projects remain undisclosed for the time being, our commitment to progress and innovation continues. You can see there everything they're doing within the advertising industry to make it a genuine use case. 2025 marks our biggest year yet. Okay, and again, been around for 8 years with even more developments set to unfold, both in and beyond what's outlined in our roadmap. As I said, huge year ahead. It truly is for the project. Super bullish, I do believe it. Just cannot believe the price we're at the moment. It absolutely astounds me. It truly does. Okay, go on their website. I've never shown this many times before, Verasity.io. Just should check it out if you haven't been on it. They haven't updated the roadmap yet, just on the site. I'm sure they'll come in the next few days. The new standard in basic accountability, transparency. You see it through the Veraviews ecosystem of Veracity's painted POV module. We're transforming the black box ad fraud industry. Okay, you can see all the Vera Wallet users is 300,000 plus, the community members, and everything else. But Vera Wallet, Veraviews, you know, the Veraviews truly transparent ad fraud solution. Billions is wasted in adverts which are just viewed by robots, and that's what Verasity wants to achieve. So it could be an absolute parabolic rise this year if they achieve everything and all companies embrace Veracity, who they engage with, and they see it. And naturally, if you get big corporations jump on, who knows where it go. Especially when the Veracity token itself will get very, very small. the actual supply will get very small once we've got to the 90 billion. Okay, now for your wallet, again, I'm on that. I've done dedicated videos to get started. It's just a shame a lot of people in the UK I know can't join at the moment. You can use VPN, but I don't know what the outcome would be if you did that and they found out, for example. So again, do your own research for you. Embrace anything. Okay. See there, you see all the price to discover the wallet users. They take 350,000 on here, and simple, convenient, secure. Create an account, security, exports. So there's many parts of this I like, and it's a unique project. Crazy low at the moment. If there's one project I thought could give me the biggest profit this year, and I had to name them, it would be basically between Verasity and Quant Platform, for example, ones I've covered a lot on this channel. So only time will tell. Fascinating year ahead to see where it goes. Let's get this Tron mainnet sorted out and then see where this project goes. Okay, still super bullish. So thanks very much. Well, help as usual. Email me info@cryptostrang.com. All the social media links. So come join us on our Telegram group. It truly is a wonderful time here to be with crypto. It truly is. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.